In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Smartsheet. Organizing your Smartsheet space effectively can make a huge difference in how efficiently you and your team work, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about workspaces in Smartsheet. Think of a workspace as your overarching cabinet where you keep related projects grouped together. It's the primary level of organization. For instance, if you're managing a marketing team, you might want to create a workspace titled Marketing that will house all documents, projects, and resources related to your marketing efforts. This is an excellent approach for maintaining clarity and easy access. Now, within these workspaces, you have the versatile option to create folders. These folders act as subcategories and can dramatically enhance the structure and accessibility of your information. By creating folders within the marketing workspace, such as campaigns, budgets, and reports, you enable a cleaner, more organized view that allows for quick navigation and easy file retrieval. This hierarchical structure not only helps in organizing files, but also reduces clutter, ensuring that team members can locate what they need without unnecessary confusion or time wasted searching through documents. Let's move on to actually setting these up. You'll want to begin by accessing your primary workspace, and from there, you can start adding the folders. Simply click to create a new folder within the workspace. Name your folder clearly, reflecting its content or purpose, such as campaigns, if it involves all campaign-related files or documents. Being specific and intentional with naming is key. It ensures that anyone else accessing the folder will immediately understand its contents and context. Also, consider how your team operates and the type of information frequently accessed when setting up folders. If your team often refers back to budget data, a folder labeled Budgets is not only relevant, but critical. Consistent naming conventions across similar workspaces can also aid in creating a straightforward structure that's easy to scale as your projects grow over time. Navigating through these organized folders becomes intuitive over time, fostering an environment where everyone can be more autonomous in locating the resources they need, thus saving valuable time. This method of organizing Smartsheet, using folders within workspaces, allows you to not only streamline processes, but also encourage accountability and self-sufficiency in your team. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful tutorial on organizing your Smartsheet with workspaces and folders. Remember, a well-organized tool is the foundation of a smoothly operating project or department. Following these steps will help boost productivity and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!